Please mute yourself. Yes, Parvat, start. Parvat, start.
My name is Parv Jain.
My name is Parv Jain.
I am studying grade 1.
I am studying grade 1.
Leaves Toran.
This is a mango leaf toran. Mango is a national fruit for India. Mango fruit is
आपलं झालं ना, मग आपण कधी काय करायचं, बाकीचे लिहू झाले त्यांची
mango
झालं.
fruit. King of fruit. Mango fruit. My mango fruit.
काय
What do you say? Mango fruit is very tasty and delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, Parva. Very nice.
Thank you.
Now
Thank
I
you.
request. Yes. Now I request Ishani from
Yes,
first
yes.
grade.
बोल yes teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Start कर. My
Start,
name
beta.
Okay. My name is Mango.
is Michael.
My color name is
My color is
yellow.
today mango is there.
Mango is the national fruit of India.
Hmm.
Mango is the king of fruit.
It is
It is very delicious fruit.
mango contains
Mango contains
vitamin.
vitamin A, C, and D.
It is my
It is my favorite fruit.
fruit is
It is
bodybuilding.
bodybuilding fruit.
We can
We can make
juice and jam
jam
and pickle
and pickle
from mango.
from mango.
Mango color is
Mango color is yellow,
green.
orange, and green.
We get mango in
We get mango in
summer season.
summer season.
We can make mango leaf.
We can make mango leaf.
Toran.
Total.
We can decorate colors.
We can make decorate color.
हे दाखव टीचरला. Decorative idea.
Wow, very nice, Ishani. Very beautiful. Very good. Very beautiful. Very nice.
Nice.
Tortoise puja.
Wow.
Lollipop.
Wow, very beautiful.
Tortoise.
Yes.
And color links.
Very good.
Draw the
Very nice. Very beautiful, beta. Very good girl.
Thank you.
Very nice,
Thank-
Ishani. Very good. Okay. Now I request Mahi Mohite.
My name is Mahi Mana Mohite. Grade 1. This is my drawing. Mango. This is my mango. This is my mango. I like mango. Wash the mango. Peel the mango. Cut the mango. Eat the mango. Thank you, teacher.
Hello. Yeah.
Miss,
Very
your
nice.
mic is mute.
Very nice, Mahi.
Very nice, mic.
Very nice, Mahi.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, very good girl. Okay, Rudra. Rudra. Swara Nagvekar.
Teacher.
Yes, start beta. Please present yourself.
Mango. My name is Swara Milind Nagvekar. From grade first. एवढा लवकर झालं?
नाही.
National Food of
Others, please mute yourself.
India is very sweet and pulpy fruit. It is the king of fruit. It comes in the summer season. It is very tasty and healthy for us. It is my favorite fruit. It uses mango, make ice cream, jelly, and jam. This is my mango.
Very nice, very beautiful, Swara. Very good girl. Okay.
Thank you.
Now mute yourself, beta. Now Sat Mitkar. Sat Mitkar, you want to present, beta?
Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango, the natural fruit of India. It is very juicy fruit. It loved fever. Mango is rich in vitamin C and D. Other naturals. It comes in the third season. New of the king of India.
Very good, Sat. Very good, Sat. Now, Rudra, you want to say, beta, anything? You want to show anything? You want to say anything, Rudra? Yes, come on, say.
My name is Rudra Pratap Surendra Dhaure. Grade 1. My name. I like blue dress. Peeler. One. I like mango. Mango is national fruit. King of fruit. Mango is king. Mango is yellow. Mango is natural fruit. Mango is juicy. अंगाची गरज नाही सगळं पाठे मला न बघता सांगते आय मँगो मी स्वतः बोलते
Show it properly. Wow, very nice, very good, Rudra. Very nice, very beautiful. Huh?
थँक यू टीचर
Okay, bye, Rudra. Now I request Ananya teacher. Now I request Ananya teacher to compare. Yes, to compare grade 2 and grade 7. Grade 2, we will start with grade 2. Ananya teacher.
Yes. From grade 2 is there. Aradhya Namit Naik.
यस
Yes, you can start, beta.
Yes.
Okay, yes. I am Aradhya Namit Naik from grade 2 on occasion of National Mango Day. I am going to show you a recipe of mango mustard. First, add 1 scoop of mango pulp and then add some sugar, add milk and blend it properly. And then add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream and then decorate with some mango peas, tutti frutti. Now I want to show in mango vitamins and mango benefits. Vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, iron, calcium, magnesium. These all vitamins are in mango. Now I tell some benefits of mango. Good health of our brain because of vitamin B6. Our skin health good because of vitamin C. Our eyes health is good because of vitamin A. Thank you all. Happy National Mango Day.
Very nice, Aradhya. Very good. Now we will start with Divya. Hello, Divya.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, you can start the presentation.
I am Divya Bharat Karnekar.
I am from grade 2.
I am the grade 2. I have this.
Go, this is my drawing.
This is my drawing.
I love mango.
I love mango.
Mango is national food.
Mango is national food.
Everyone likes mango.
Everyone likes mango.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, very nice. Very good.
Teacher.
The
Teacher.
hello.
Teacher. Hello, teacher.
What is that?
Teacher.
Hello, beta. Yeah.
Teacher, ma'am, Prachi want to say.
You wait, beta. Now, Ananya, take her also later. Prachi also. Yeah, beta, wait.
After Prachi can say. Didi, start. You are hello.
Everyone. Today I am talking about
Singing a poem.
I'm singing a poem on mango. Mama, mango. Ah, yummy, yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It's test to tango. It's not just a fruit. It's but the king of fruits grows during summer, and it looks so cute. I love mango. This is I draw today. Thank you.
Yeah, wow.
Bye.
Beautiful. Very nice, Nidhi. Very good. Now Prachi will say, hello Prachi. You can start with your presentation. Prachi,
Yes, teacher.
you can start.
No, teacher.
Start.
Yes. Hi. Good evening, all of you. My name is Prachi Rashmi Sulkan. Today I am saying 5 lines about mangoes. First line: mango is the national fruit of India. Second line: it comes in the summer season. Third line: it is known as the king of all fruits. Fourth line: there are many types of mangoes. Five line: raw mangoes is green and it tasty sour. Thank you. Have a nice day. See this. See.
Wow, very nice.
See, this is a pickle made by my grandmother. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very nice, Prachi. Okay, now Aradhya Rakesh Kartak.
Happy National Mango Day to all of you.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, start Aradhya.
My name is Aradhya Rakesh Varta, grade 2. Mango is the king of all fruits. It is our national fruit also. It is a seasonal fruit. Mango contain vitamins A and C. Mango is very tasty and healthy. It is used to make ice cream, juice, cake, pickle. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, very nice, Aradhya. Very good. Now Archit Vaidya. Hello, Archit.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, you can start your presentation.
My name is Archit Kapil Vaidya. Grade 2. This is my mango leaf decoration. And this is my raw mango pickle. Thank you.
Yeah, very nice, Archit. Good. Now, Reyansh. Hello, Reyansh.
Say hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, you can start.
Sang पहिला.
Panho.
Okay, start.
Good evening. My name is Reyansh Rahul Naik from grade
समोर बघायचं.
2. I am telling about raw mango juice. It's called panha. It's tangy, sweet, and refreshing. I love mango panha. Thank you.
Very nice, Reyansh. Good. Now, Arohi Patil.
Yes, teacher. Good evening.
Good evening. Start.
I am Arohi Kedar Patil. Today, mango song I am saying. With Shairi. मैं फलों का राजा हूँ, आम केला रंग, मेरा रंग हरा पीला, बड़े बीच के संग. Teacher, little शायरी with mango. कुछ लोग इस दुनिया में ना जाने कैसे अपनी माँ से उग जाते हैं. हम तो आम का अच्छा देखते ही माँ की याद में डूब जाते हैं.
बोल आरोही. बोल
Mango is
called bowl.
called thinking of fruit is very tasty. It is uses milkshake, juices, salad, ice cream. Mango trees are very
Heavy.
heavy. Thank you.
Yeah, very nice, Arohi. Very good. Okay, Siba teacher, I'm done with grade 2. You can start.
Hello, teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Ananya ma'am.
Hello.
हाँ,
Hello,
अयन
teacher.
जी। हाँ, बोलिए।
हाँ, अभी आयान का जस्ट अभी मैंने नाम दी क्योंकि थोड़ा मेरे मतलब सांस की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी ना, इसके लिए. तो अभी वो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, तो ग्रेड 2 से है वो.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, चालू करो अयन. ओके अयन स्टार्ट.
My name is Ayan Salim Mukadam, grade 2. This is a mango pickle. मैं फलों का राजा हूँ, आम के दाता हूँ, नारंगी और पीला, मेरा रंग बड़े बीज का संग. मैं हूँ रसीला फल, खट्टा मीठा मेरा स्वाद. गर्मी में आता हूँ, बाकी दिन छुप जाता हूँ. थैंक यू टीचर.
Very nice, Ayan. Good. Okay, Siba teacher.
Thank you so much, Ananya ma'am, and all the kids. They are performing really well. All the pre-primary kids. So now it's turn for grade 7. So I'll give chance to the students because already everyone has shared that the mango is the king of fruit, various nutritional benefits, and various points have been covered. What are the uses, different types of mango. So now I would like to give chance to Aisha from grade 7.
Yes.
Aisha,
My
are
name
you
is
ready?
Aisha Siddiqui. I am from grade 7. Mango is the national fruit of India and it's also called the king of fruit. It comes in the summer season. It is found in colors like green, yellow, orange in different sizes. It is very juicy, pulpy and delicious too. Mango contains vitamin A, C and D. There are more than 100 varieties of mangoes in our country. India ripe mangoes are loved by everyone. Thank you.
Done, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice, Aisha. Now next is Pari.
Good morning, good
Pari
evening,
Deshmukh.
all of good evening, all of you. Today is Mango Day, so I am speaking a poem. I am a king
On your
of.
camera, Pari. Pari, on your camera and speak.
I am king of fruit. Eat me and avoid sunstroke. I am sweet. I am tasty. I am rich in vitamin A, C, D. National fruit of India, and it is I. I am green, yellow, and white. Right. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, very nice, Pari. Now next one is Kavish Jain from grade 7. Kavish?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Kavi Jitendra Jain. Mango is the natural fruit of India, which is
Kavish,
loved.
wait. The voice is coming. We can't hear you. Yes, now you start.
Hello, friends. My name is Kavi Jitendra Jain. Hello, friends. My name is Kavi Jitendra Jain. Today, I will tell about of mango. Mango is a natural fruit of India, which is loved by one and all. It is very juicy, plumpy, and juice fruit. Wrap mango can it be crunched raw or in the form of salt, juice, jam, milkshake, or pickle. Mango is a rice should of your vitamin and minerals. Thank you. And this all are
Okay, very nice, Kavish. Nice display of mango
Very
items.
nice.
Very nice, nice drawing. Very nice. So next one is Rupali from grade 7. Very nice, Kavish.
Good evening, my friends.
thank you, ma'am. Happy Mango Day to all of you.
Thank you so much, Kavish. Yes, Rupali.
Good evening, my friends and teachers. Today I am saying about a mango. So first, we make many things of mango like ice cream, pickles, cakes, and etc. Also, we make the pickle of mango. So today I will show a homemade pickle that it is made by my grandmother.
Wow.
And we make a and we make a mango leaf tolerant for a festival like Dasra, Diwali, or Gudi Padwa. See, I have a Toran. Leaves decoration. We put this mango leaves in it and some flowers. Mango is a very very sweet, very sweet. More mangoes to see. Thank you.
Very nice, Rupali. Very nicely you have decorated. Nice pickle made by you. Okay, very nice. Is there anyone left from grade 7 who wants to speak? Or grade 7 is done? All done from grade 7. Okay. So I would like to, yes. Is there anyone from grade 7? No, na? Yes. So mango is really very nutritional. It is having many nutritional values. Okay. So the enzymes in mangoes help in breaking down protein content in the body. It's enriched with fiber. Mangoes aid good digestion and prevents many stomach related diseases. This summer fruit also helps in preventing heat stroke. Eating it cools you down instantly and hence refreshes you. Okay. So I do love mango. We all are a big fan of mango. Okay. And you all are looking so beautiful. All of you in yellow. Okay.
Hello.
So various health benefits are there. It aids in weight loss, cleans the skin,
Teacher, when
it
grade
helps in
6?
digestion. Your turn will
Ma'am,
come. Don't
grade-
interrupt in the middle. Just wait. Don't ask in middle. It improves our eye health. It slows the aging signs. It keeps cholesterol in check, and it boosts the immune system. Okay. So there are various health benefits associated with mangoes. Okay. So I'm done. So now I would request Aditi ma'am to continue further.
Okay, miss. Thank you, miss.
Aditi ma'am.
Yes, miss. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So, students, there are 1,000 species of mangoes around the world, in which Alfonso mango is #1 in taste and flavor. Scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. Okay. So now I request Bhumi Vasudev to present herself from 4th standard, 4th grade. Yes, Bhumi, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please present yourself.
My name is Bhumi Vasudev Shode. I am studying in grade 4th. Today I will say speech on International Mango Day. Mango is very sweet. I love mango. Mango is the international food of India, and mango eaten in the summer season, and mango is coming in rainy season. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. Now I call upon Samskruti Mayekar from grade 4th.
Hello, teacher. Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhumi.
Good evening. My name is Samskruti Pesmaker. I am studying grade 4. I am saying about few lines about mango. Mango is the national fruit of the India. Mango is the king of the fruit. It is a very sweet and delicious fruit. There are more than 10 variety mangoes in our country, India. Summer is the season when India waits for the king of the fruit. Mango juice is the world's favorite juice. This fruit is juicy when it is ripe. Vitamin A, C, and B. It is many favorite fruit. It is my very favorite fruit. In summer, I make mango drink with mango. My sister love shares small poem of mango. Thank you. Thank you.
And Yes, Samskruti. Okay. Very good, Samskruti. Very good. Very nice. Now I call upon.
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Mango in English.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Mango tree.
Very good.
hello, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Samskruti.
And many mangoes come on there.
Very good. Very good.
Hello, ma'am.
Very nice. Yes. Bhumi, yes.
Me, I have made card.
Bhumi,
I can-
we are not able to see you. Your screen is off.
Me, I have made card. I can show it.
Yes, yes. Please present.
Ma'am, this.
Very nice. Very nice, Bhumi. Very nice. Wow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Now I call upon Tanaya Chandorkar to present herself.
Hello, ma'am.
Tanaya? Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Tanaya.
I have made a drawing of mango.
Very nice.
Now I will say few lines on mango.
Yes, beta. Proceed.
Mango is a seasonal fruit. This fruit is so juicy and tasty. It is the national fruit of India and also called the king of all fruits. Mango contains vitamin A, C and D. It comes in the summer season. The color of the mango is green and yellow. Mango has a big seed inside it and it is sweet in taste. Mango is used to make pickles and jam. Everyone likes mango. We must be grateful to nature for gifting us with such a valuable fruit. Thank you.
Welcome. Very nice. Very nice, Tanaya. Now I call upon Tirtha Karnekar to present herself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Tirtha Mangesh Karnekar. I am studying in grade 4. I'll say few lines on mango. Mango is a very sweet, pulpy, juicy, and refreshing fruit. It is the national fruit of India. Mango is the king of fruits. It grows in the summer season in the varieties part of India. It is very tasty fruit and everyone likes to eat mango. Mango fruit is found in many colors like yellow, orange, green, etc. Ripe mango can be used in the form of raw juice, shakes, salads, and jams. The mango pickles are very delicious to eat. Mango juice is the world's favorite juice. Many different varieties of mangoes are found in India, such as Dashri, Langara, Malda, Alphasno, Chusa, etc. The mango tree can grow to be more than 100. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice, Tirtha. Now I call upon Arjun Kenny. Yes, Arjun.
My name is I will tell 10 lines of mango. Mango is called king of fruit. It is a very tasty fruit. Mango trees are very heavy. The color of mango is green, yellow, and light red. Mango is a seasonal fruit. It comes to the markets in the summer season. Mango is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Mango is used for jam. Everyone likes to eat mango. It is the national